So today we're going to work on alignment. I'm going to show you some tricks here. So I'm going to my folder and I'm going to grab handouts and grab the alignment folder. You're going to want to copy this and you're going to want to put this in your folder. So I already have done that, but just to show you, I'll go to my folder and there should be an alignment folder. You're going to go to edit, paste item. Again, I've already done it, so there's my alignment folder. Open up alignment1. Which should automatically open for you in Illustrator. I'm going to close all this extra stuff up because I don't think I need it right now, and if I do, I'll get it up. I think I'll leave Pathfinder up here. So there's alignment1, and let me expand this. Okay, good. So what I want to do is show you how to work smarter, not harder, and how to make things look so much better. So first thing I'm going to start with is this lovely text down here. It looks good. No, actually it doesn't. Looks absolutely terrible, and it's just this. So here's how this happens. If you type something like that, right, and so I'm writing, and of course my computer is very slow today. Never mind. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say, if I grab all this, watch this, and I say edit copy, and I take a text box and I draw it back out and decide what the bounding box is going to be and say edit paste. You see how it automatically takes it, and it doesn't just keep going and going and going. This happens if you just click and you don't have a text box, you keep typing. It's going to keep typing until you're done doing what it is that you want to do. So in this particular case, oopsie, that's a nice way to neaten this up. So I don't need both of these, so I'm going to delete this. It's the same exact font, which actually just says, if you look closely, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, just so we had something there. It's really just there as an example. Okay, so what I want to do is show you how you can even make this look cooler, though. And again, there are hard ways and easy ways to do this. So I want to make this look like it fits together. And I purposely made these for you, and I'm going to show you a nice little trick here. I'm going to take these two objects. It's a simple rectangle and a simple oval that I've created, but let's say this had like an image in it or something like that. I'm going to grab this one, and by the way, if you option drag, you should make a copy, or if that doesn't work, you know, you can do it the hard way and say edit, copy, edit, paste. But honestly, like, that's just, I find that to be a drag at this point. Okay, so I'm going to take this image and this image, and I'm going to grab both of them. This oval's in front, so I'm going to go to Pathfinder minus the front, so I get this interesting shape. Could have spent all day doing that with my pen tool, but why bother? And now watch the magic here. I'm going to grab this text again, edit copy, okay, and I am going to come on over and say area type tool, and I'm going to come over here and type on this path. So when I click on it, I get that, and now I'm going to say edit paste, and look at that, it just pasted it in here. Now this blue line is invisible, so you can see that once I click away it doesn't look very good, but let me show you a little trick. If I come back here and grab that, first of all, this comes up, paragraph up here, and I said it was left justified, so I'm going to right justify that. Actually, it won't let me, so I'm going to select the text first and then right justify it. And already that's starting to look, I would argue, better. I don't need this anymore, so I'm going to delete that. So if I bring this over and do something like that, that looks pretty good together. You know, this could be like maybe someone's face, or it could be an image, but putting those two things together looks pretty good. The left side doesn't look so great though yet, so let me show you another trick. I'm going to take this again and select my text, and I'm going to go to Window, Paragraph, or Text. Oh, here it is, Type, Paragraph, and this comes up. So I've already got it right justified, but now I'm going to, I believe it's justify with last line. There we go. You see the difference? So let me do it before and after. So before, this was just here. After, see how like I just have a nice edge on this side as well. So it just looks prettier. I might also want to add some hierarchy in here. I mean, this just says blah blah blah, but what if I gave this a little bit more of a sense of order? Like what if this was, say for example, a title? So I made that bigger, and then made this part over here, you know, I just imagine this is like saying something, smaller, and hang on, grab that tool and bring this up, and you can see that I'm trying to just make this more ordered. It's not looking as good as I'd like it to so far, but you can see how you can start to create that. So that's the first thing I want you to do, is just figure out and learn how to align text to a path like that, and we're going to go from there and go on to the next.